Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to talk about FTX. Basically, this is an exchange for you guys to, basically I'm going to bring you a review and of course a guide and of course important stuff to take note on this video. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video and let's get started. So basically for you guys out there, what is FTX what is this FTX exchange? Basically they have launched their own utility token like normally on Binance. On Binance itself you can see there's BNB, and for KuCoin there's KCS, and after that many more exchange with their own native token. And of course FTX itself, they have their own native token as well. And after that you can see the supply right now for their token is around 339 million, and of course as you can see the max supply, and after that you can see the total supply. So judging from this amount over here, I believe that they have some burning of their tokens and after that buybacks and stuff like this. So this is one of the feature that you need to know. And after that, as you can see over here on the all-time chart itself, FTX was around $1.70 and it has been ranging around $1 towards $2, and after that as of today it is worth around $32 for the token itself. And basically we are going to talk about what is this FTX token all about. I mean this exchange. Basically the exchange itself is an all-in-one place for you to trade cryptocurrency, for you to buy and sell cryptocurrency like spot trading. Secondly, you can leverage trade, the futures trading, and of course over here you also can like deposit fiat towards their platform. And after that, from there we are going to explain to you on what is the requirements, and after the fees, and after that everything that on basically everything you need to know about the exchange before you get started. And after that over here they have lots of features, and of course the highlight is the stocks trading. Basically you can buy stocks and after that hold it over there. And of course there's also fiat trading, basically forex and prediction. I'm going to talk about all of this, and after that you can do staking as well on their platform. And of course they have a mobile application for you guys to trade on the go if you guys are interested, and after that you can use it. So we are gonna talk about the deposit, the 5% off on tradings basically. So for you guys who are interested on FTX itself, basically they have a promotion ongoing. Basically it's a referral program. So if you guys are interested, use my referral link down below, and the benefit for you on using my referral link, basically you will receive a 5% off on your trading fee, get a free discount. And of course if you sign up plainly on the platform itself, you won't get any discount. So this is a way to support my channel as well, so kindly sign up using the link down below. And after that we are going to talk about the deposits of fiat, what is the currency that they support. As we can see over here on the website itself, they also have a FTX Foundation, which is going to be basically 1% of net fees will be donated to the world's most effective charities. Basically if you guys are interested in if you guys are into like charities and stuff like this, FTX is the place where you can basically trade as well, because every time you trade, the trading fees accumulated 1% will be sent to charity. So over here we are going to talk about the deposit. So over here, depositing fiat and after that withdrawing fiats. So over here you need to, at first you sign up an account, you do not need to submit a KYC. And of course once you submit your KYC, basically what is KYC? It is know your customer. Basically you need to submit information like your ID, and after that you have to take a selfie, and after that write the date and time, of course stuff like this, towards FTX for them to verify your account that this is a person that has been verified. And after that from there you will have access to more products on FTX itself. So on FTX itself, their currency varies from quite a lot of currency that they are supporting. So there's also Singapore dollars, and after that you can see TRY. I do not know why is their country, but TRY, the currency itself, it is coming soon. And for NGN it's also coming soon. And we can see over here for USD, there's a lot of stablecoin, and after that you can withdraw the stablecoin as well if you feel like it. Basically I'm going to talk about it. So for depositing and withdrawing, to deposit the fiat, go to your wallet and click on under, you have to search for it, and after that from there just click on deposit. Basically you will need to have write a memo, use the memo provided to you, and after that your account, if you do not use a memo, your account will not be credited, and after that it's going to be a lot of trouble. So for the deposit itself, they do not charge any fee on deposit. And after that over here, your bank name must match your FTX account. Basically let's say your FTX account is, let's say John Doe, and after that basically your bank account must be John Doe as well. It's quite simple to understand. And after that over here basically they recommend you to read the whole document, so I'm going to link this article down below if you guys are interested. So deposit will not be made directly to any intermediary bank. And after that for the withdrawal, so over here the deposit is, there's no minimum deposit. because over here they did not say any like the minimum deposit and there's no fee. When they charge on their site itself, FTX do not charge the admin fee or whatsoever for you guys to deposit your fiat. But for withdrawal wise, they will only charge a 75% fee on USD withdrawals under 10k. And after that, with this over here, I do not know that if this is categorized under USD or let's say USD and everything. And after that, this is another one for the Brazilian dollars or whatsoever, the BRL. So basically, if you know your currency over here, let's say your currency is BRL, you will have a 0.3% plus R10, $10 withdrawal fee, and after that, there are no other transaction fees. So basically, for Singapore dollars itself, there's no withdrawal fees, and after that, for other currency that has not been mentioned on the withdrawal summary, you will not need to pay any fee, because over here they said there's no other fees in any currency. Basically, what does this mean? This over here means that FTX do not charge. They personally do not charge any fees. But for Singapore bank itself, I understand that my viewers are from Singapore, and I myself is from Singapore, and I know that if let's say you initiate a withdrawal from if let's say you are receiving funds from overseas, basically if let's say you are receiving it in like US dollar, basically you will need to pay a conversion fee, and after that $10 admin charge and stuff like this. So for withdrawing for Singapore dollars, I do not know, because I have not personally submitted deposit or withdrawn from FTX using Singapore dollar, because I'm just mainly on to crypto. So over here this is a summarize, and after that I'm going to link this deposit and withdrawal article down below for you. So other than the deposit and withdrawal fee, we are going to talk about the normal fees that they are charging on FTX. So over here the trading fees as varies standard from other platform itself. So the tier 1, I'm just going to talk about the tier 1. So for maker itself, what is a maker? Basically a person that use limit orders, and after that posing orders into the order book. That's why you are called a maker. Basically you are waiting for the price to hit your target, and you will get an entry or an exit. And after that, for takers is those who are urgently that wants to enter this position for short-term trade, or maybe you're just FOMOing, so you use the taker, basically a market order. The fees for it is 0.07. For makers it is 0.02. So I would say that the fees on FTX itself, they charge fairly low. And after that, let's say if you have more trading volume itself, you'll receive discounts on your fee as well. So over here, if let's say you are FTT staker, basically their token is called the FTT. FXT token, basically in short is FTT. So over here, for spot trading, the fees are deducted when you receive blah blah blah. And after that, if you are going to stake their token itself, you'll receive like benefits. So over here, so this is the discount for holder. So over here it put there's a FTT holder holding like around staking around 100 towards 5 million worth of FTT token. You receive the discount rates varying from whatever is shown. So I'm going to link this article down as well. So for the maker rebates for FTT stakers, so if you own FTT token and you stake it, you will receive a rebate up to 0.003%, and after that it only costs 25 FTT to have a zero maker fees. So if you are able to do it, you can afford this 25 FTT, and after that you're going to trade on FTX itself. This is the way for you to basically do limits order without paying any fees. So that's it. So for the margin, that's borrow and after that lending. So this is going to be on another segment. So once you click on so let's say you already have an account, you just head over to the margin. Where is it? So over here on the margin lending itself, you can see that once you click on wallet, you click on margin lending, and after that margin borrow as well, you will see the lending, and after that borrow. So let's say if you want to borrow some funds to like basically do a margin trade or whatsoever, this is the fee that they are charging. So this is the hourly, and after that basically I would say it's quite high. For GME stock itself, it is gonna cost around I think 300% per annum for the margin trade itself. So we are gonna talk about the other fees, like the leverage fees. Basically over here there are other fees. There's no fees on future settlements. So if you're gonna trade on futures, there is no fees. So for all market accept this using the 50 times leverage, or you're gonna pay a trading fee of 0.02. I'm gonna link this article down below, and after that you can have your read on the fees itself in depthly. So over here, I'm going to talk about the, I've mentioned on below, the FTX account setting that is very important to take note. Why is that so? Basically, once you've created your account, first of all, you need to head over to security, and of course, you need to enable the withdrawal password, and after that, the 2FA to secure your own personal account. And after that, the next thing you want to do is you can verify your identity under the identity verification. And after that, lastly, over here on margin itself, you have to know what is margin trading. Basically, spot margin, it is using your account as collateral. Basically, whatever balance you have over there, you can use up to 3 times on whatever leverage is as mentioned over here. And after that, you can, yeah, basically you can put in $1,000, and after that, from there you can leverage up to 101 times on FTX itself. And after that, you will see that this is all the highlights, and after that, the article talking about this margin itself. So if you want to you want to just do spot trading, and after that you do not want to like see balances like negative on your account or whatsoever, disable the margin trade. So just click on the disable spot margin trading. So once you have disabled it, it will only trade with funds that you have. So if you put in $1,000, you can only buy up to $1,000. So let's say if you want to short the stocks or whatsoever, you need to enable margin trading, because technically you do not have any stock there. Therefore, you need to borrow the stock to short on the stock itself, whatever stock it is. So over there, you can choose on your margin, and after that, your risk appetite as well. So over here, this second thing you need to take note is over here, collateral. Your blah blah blah, your cryptocurrency and non-US balances will be used towards as collateral. So you can choose if you want to to use FTT balance as collateral. So you can read more about it. And after that, negative US dollar. So charge interest rate on negative USD instead of collateral converting. So let's say if you borrow like BTC itself, you will need to, if you did not enable this option itself, they are going to charge you in BTC for your interest that you are paying hourly. And after that, if you want to just pay everything in the US dollar value, yes, you can just use the option over here. Just enable this option, and you will be paying all your collateral in US dollar. So we are going to talk about what are the stocks on FTX, because yeah, basically we know that the stock exchange has lots of stocks being listed, and after that, on this exchange itself, it is a crypto market, a crypto exchange, and after that, they are listing stocks, basically from AMC all the way to GME and Tesla, and after that, Facebook, and many more stocks over here. So how you want to check it out is just head over to the market, click on market itself, you will see this stock option, just click on stock, and after that, you will just want to scroll down, and after that, look at all the stock that you want to purchase. So bear in mind that if you see a number behind it, basically like 0625, basically on the June of 25, the stock is going to expire. So over here, June 2021 futures trading. So let's say if you hold a stock, let's say you want to go for a long-term strategy to hold the stocks, and after that you want to like hold it, and after that from there hope it grows or something like this, like maybe 1 or 2 years later, if you see this number behind it, if you buy the stock over there, you're basically holding a futures contract. Basically it is just a contract telling you that, oh, you enter this position, and after that on 25th of June, this contract is going to expire, and after that, if you make profit, it is going to realize it, and after that, if you make losses, it's also going to be realized. You have to pay back the losses, definitely. And after that, over here, we can see there's a lot of stock over here. So over here, there's AMC, there's also Apple, and after that, GME, which is popular. So they listed like GME on the FTX during the GME's whole saga. Basically, people want to buy GME and they are unable to do it. So FTX was the one that is available for people to purchase GME stocks, and after that, all the Reddit Wall Street batch stocks. And after that, over here, there's also Tesla, which you can purchase. So the second part of the futures, like Forex trading right now, we are going to talk about it. So you are able to use the Forex trade, you are able to trade Forex on FTX itself. So how do you do it? The same thing, head over to the market and just head over to the prediction. So over the Fiat. So at the Fiat column itself, you can see that there's a lot of, quite a lot of currency that you can trade on. So basically here's Singapore dollar to US dollar, and the more popular one, Euro to USD. Basically you can trade on it, like Forex itself, you can buy, sell, and after that, from there, you can, use the margin. You have to use margin account, and after that, from there, you can, code with it, and after that, you can play around with it, and after that, yeah, basically if you are good with it, you can make a lot of money. If you are bad with it, you will lose a lot of money. So over here, that's also like Tether's future. And after that, basically over here under the fiat column itself, it is all trading towards currency to currency. So this is a platform for you to trade forex, I would say, but there's not a lot of trading pair. But of course, I believe that they will add more and more slowly, because over here this is the exchange where you, for investors, I would say the savvy investors who are interested in crypto, financial stock, and after that trade with forex or whatsoever, this is the platform where you can do everything in one place. And after that, of course, it's still quite new, and to be honest, the fee itself they charge is reasonable. It is not expensive at all. And of course, we are going to talk about the futures trading. So over here on futures trading itself, as we all know that on Binance itself, there's quite a lot of trading pairs for futures trading. And after that, over here, I would say on FTX itself, it is insane, because they have literally have everything that you want to trade on futures. You can see over here, even CRO has their own perpetual futures contract. And after that, to be honest, only CRO crypto.com itself, they are having their own futures contract. And but then on FTX itself is listed. And for Celsius itself, there is, I would say that I do not see any like Binance, they do not list Celsius. And of course, there's many places that do not list Celsius, but FTX they list them. And after that, you can trade on the futures as well. So if you want to scroll down more, there's lots of like futures trading pair on FTX itself. I would say that this platform is quite good, because if people who are want to be speculative and do not want to own a single coin, but they just want to trade with whatever coin is there, so they also have this shitcoin index. Basically, it's an index for you guys to trade on. And over here, yeah, you can see over here you can filter out index perpetual. So for perpetual, it is forever, not technically forever, but you have to pay a fee for holding it, so there's no expiry. Basically for index, it is sort of like so you have to click on it to disable. So for index, you can see they also have some funds called the index DeFi. And after that, there is mid cap, and after that stuff like this. Basically it's like an ETF for you to purchase into it, and after that hold it if you are interested in. And of course, lastly, it is my own opinion, and of course I would say if you guys can use FTX, I mean, like, my own opinion only. So if you guys want to use it, you can use it, but if you guys do not want to use it, you can don't use it. So there's no one forcing you technically. So over here, as you can see, that I have deposited like 1.2k into FTX previously. To basically, what did I do? Basically, I shorted GME, and after that I made some money. But then after that, as we can see, that I got compensated. So over here, I got compensated $100, and after that the information was trading issue, and after that the last compensation was $210, and after that basically it's a trigger fail stop loss trigger fail order on GME at roughly this timing. So during that timing itself, GME had a huge spike, and after that basically I was on losses, and after that basically I set a stop loss at around 70% of my whole funds, or even like 60%. Can't remember, but basically what I done was I set a stop loss, but the stop loss did not get executed, and basically it got cancelled. Therefore I was a bit confused. And after that, to be honest, how do I explain stop loss to people? It's basically, if you put a stop loss, once it reaches the price, it is going to market order and sell everything regardless of what. And of course, during that time itself, my market order was, I would say, half filled, around like 20% filled, and after that eventually it got filled like at a higher prices, like more than what I've intend to. So basically my stop loss was, let's say, $120. The price went up to 150 or 170, and after that my stop loss got executed one by one. And after that, from there, I was a bit confused looking at the transaction. So we can look at the field. So over here we can see, so I have already done it, and after that over here the stop loss started happening, and the stop loss it kept going up, and after that I was a bit confused as well. So you can see eventually I got liquidated, and after that I was a bit confused. That's why I contacted FTX themselves, and after that I told them that I already set a stop loss eventually, and after that it was not fulfilled. And after that basically I got liquidated, and now my balance is in negative and stuff like this. So I asked them to like clarify, and after that on the back end itself to do an investigation. So basically it took around, I would say, a month or so for them to settle everything, and after that I got got back my $310 off the so around $310 on my trading account. And after that, basically that experience was really bad, I would say. But to be honest, during that time they are still new, and right now they are expanding slowly. So if you guys want to trade on it, just be careful. And after that, of course, use stop loss. But of course, if the stop loss fails, kindly contact their support for a settlement or whatsoever. And after that, to be honest, this over here, I was able to get back my money rather than get back nothing. So I would say that they tried their best to explain, and after that settle my situation. So I would say that FTX, it is safe to use. It is expanding definitely, and of course they have lots of trading volume itself. So we can look at the so over here we can look at the 24-hour volume. It is around 11 billion. 11 billion has been traded on the exchange itself, and for the 30 days around 500 billion, and for lending around almost $1 billion being lent around. So I would say that their exchange itself, the liquidity wise, it is quite they have lots of liquidity, and after that people are using the exchange. So if you want to use the exchange, you can use it. But if let's say you want to trade on the stocks itself, let's say you want to short a stock, or let's say you want to short something on FTX itself, you need to first enable the margin trading, the spot margin trading. But of course, if you do not know what is margin, don't bother using it, because you will just hurt yourself. So everything is on your own. So if you're interested in this platform, kindly use the referral link down below. And of course, I've come to the end of the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, see you on the next one. Peace.